What's going on, guys? If you've been keeping up with the page, you already know that I did buy a 1995 R33 GTR. Yeah, midnight purple. The car overall was not in a bad condition. It was fairly in good condition. However, it still had lots of rust and kind of paint chips, and it was faded over the roof. So needed to get some work done to it. But overall, this was before the car went to the shop, and like I said, it wasn't in a bad condition. It was still in great condition. It was still drivable and whatnot. But like I said, I'm OCD when it comes to these cars, so we had to take care of it. I mean, this was how the engine bay was looking before it went to the shop. I mean, overall it wasn't bad. However, I wasn't a fan of that. Like I said, there was minor, dents like over there. The window actually had to be removed, to repair that. And yeah, that cracked the windshield actually, so we put a new one. And like I said, the top, all those little imperfections. And that was the reason why we decided, you know what? Yeah, this car needs a makeover. So we decided to go. And the seats were replaced. Came with HKSF V Pro. That is still in there. Got a pretty good tune on it. So yeah, HKSF V Pro. It's nice, I recommend it, but I put a Haltech in my 32 GTR because it's much more better. Gives you a lot more parameters or a lot more tuning options. So like I said, overall, car wasn't terrible at all. The coilovers were pretty sharp, but I like it really low like that. But yeah, the car was looking good. It wasn't bad at all. This is a little bit more pictures of it prior to the most place that I was much more worried was the trunk. As you can see, like I poked my fingers through it and it goes right through it, But that actually was the easiest part. There were a lot more rust hiding in places that you would never, look for unless you actually took the car completely apart. But like I said, the trunk was terrible and terrifying, but it got done. It got done. These guys actually surprised me. They got the engine bay again. I wanted to, make sure I show you guys all the little places, prior to the car going, over there, all that. It was a lot more. I thought that was it, but there was a lot more hiding around, and, surface rust over there, here and there. Overall, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Like I said, it was not bad. So, I brought my coworker in to, help me out with this. Since living in Okinawa, you can only have 2 vehicles in your name. So I had him put it under his name. So that way we can still, work on the car or get stuff done to the car. So that was actually the last time he drove the car or I drove the car. And we were getting ready to take it to the shop. Because we tried to do the JCI on it, and as you know, in Japan you have to do a JCI, which I don't understand, but yeah, we had to do it. Did the JCI, didn't pass. They said there was a little rust on the frame, so we had to fix it. So that's when we took it to the shop, took it to Taiki Auto shop, and they took the car apart, started removing parts, started notifying all those. As you can see, the hole back there behind the back seat, and this is the passenger side. It was completely rusted. It was horrifying. And as you can see, there's a hole through the car right there on the floorboard, which was crazy. This is a better view of it with lightning. Man, like I said, there was a lot more rust than we expected once the side skirt came off and the body kits was removed. There was a lot more rust that was found, and we actually went to the junkyard to find another R33 shell, and we got most of parts from it, or cut a bunch of pieces from it to make sure this car was solid. So once again, the front was removed, side panels was removed. You can see all the little minor surface rust. It wasn't a big deal, but the undercarriage is what had a lot of rust. And I think majority of it is because the car was sitting too low. You know, it rains in Okinawa almost all the time, so I think just driving in the rain as well was also just catching and collecting water and whatnot. But yeah, as you can see, that's the underside of the car, trying to locate all the rust. There goes the trunk again, showing you all those little rust here and there. There goes the side of the car, and this is the inside where the ECU mounts. It was completely, and it looks like they attempted to do it, but that was a lousy, shitty job that they did there. And yeah, the car was total mess. But overall, got the estimate initially looking about it. They quoted me around $5,000 for the rust repair and paint. However, once they started digging it in, they realized even underneath there was still rust inside. So like I said, we got some parts from another R33 shell, started cutting pieces from it, and it was welded with new metal. And they actually made sure they found the appropriate or the right metal and welded them together. And as you can see, the floorboard right there was welded with a new metal. Underneath there was also new metal added to it. This is the passenger side. All the rust was removed. It was resealed, refabricated. This is the hole that was in the back seat. And this is like a clear picture of the sides, just with the new sides from another shell. It's all coming back together. I didn't have enough time to actually document these rust restorations, but I try to each little chance that I get, I'll go over and take pictures of their progress. So please bear with me. I couldn't get much details, but I tried to document and take pictures. And this is the trunk. I had to completely cut all the places that was like rusted out, and they cut the trunk of a new of a different shell. From a different shell, and they put it in, and as you can see the difference, complete difference. It's just crazy. Like, they did a pretty damn job. And this was the front windshield wiper where the motor was completely rusted out. They fixed it, and the trunk lining, and the actual trunk had holes in it, and it was surprising how, you know, they put it back together. So overall, Taki Motors or Taki Body Shop, they're one of the best, you know, and that was my boy Hayato. He's the main one when it comes to, you know, the rust repair, and Tsuya, he's the paint guy. So, you know, these are brothers that work together, and they do a pretty good job, you know. So I give them kudos to them. They did an amazing job, and I keep coming here and back, you know, here and there, nitpicking, do this, do that, and it was kind of like upsetting them, but, you know, at the end of the day, I'm paying for it, so, you know, but they got it done. So this was the first time the car got the respray, which looks pretty nice. I went in there, matched the paint color, which is the midnight purple, and I was like, man, that thing looks pretty nice. It looks pretty sweet. I was going around it, I was looking at it. All the glass and the windows were taken out, so it was pretty good. Painted it, got a fresh respray. You know, make sure all those new parts that was welded on, you know, match everything to make it look like it was completely stock, you know. And they did a pretty good job. I'm not going to lie. Give them kudos about that. And this was after the car was done, you know, came back, they were putting in the windows and things like that, and it was a little bit dirty. The interior wasn't even done yet, but I just POs here and there. The front windshield was put in. They were still working on the interior, and I showed them. And I was like, man, it's great. The hood actually wasn't repainted because it didn't need to be painted. It didn't need to be painted, and it was just adding more to the car, so I just didn't do it. The hood didn't paint it, and they also didn't want to paint the side skirts and then the rear specs. I told him to do it. Add it to the cost. Bro, starting from the quote of $5,000, the cost kept adding up, and almost cost me $10,000. So at the end of the day, the car looked good once it was completely done. I'm not going to lie, the car looked really good, especially in person. It looked amazing with the new windows, all that. The car was amazing. They did a really good job. However, the price was not what I was expecting. It was a little bit too much for me. So that is one of the reasons why I listed the car for sale. Unfortunately, I wanted to keep both the 33 and the 32, but the car cost me too much during the restoration process, and I still had to repair it. It didn't need repairs, but I just wanted to make sure the car is in good health. So I bought some new water pump, new oil pump, replaced the bushings, I did a lot of work, to be honest, with the engine tuning and all that. This is the day I was actually taking up the Speed Factory to get all the work done, and I get all my work done at Speed Factory because I really don't have the time. Sometimes here and there on the 32, actually, if I have time, I do some work too. But anything that needs a professional mechanic to do, I take it to the Speed Factory, and they've done most of the cars on Okinawa or on the island. So people even come from mainland, to get the job done. So I think they did a pretty good job. So this is after the work was done at Speed Factory. Did the JCI. That's why we still have the JCI temp tags on it. And that car looks absolutely stunning. At this point, we put new coilovers on it, lifted it up. The car was looking great. The car was looking amazing from here. But at the end of the day, like I said, I listed it for sale, and an interested buyer. There was actually 7 serious buyers with the cash, but I decided to, let it go for the individual that just kept up with me, throughout the whole process, always asking about it. Oh, by the way, the interior, I got a new interior panel that was painted to match, the interior panel, so it looked pretty great. Other than that, the car looked clean. The seats, it came with aftermarket seats, sold those and put 32 seats in there, and to be quite honest, the 32 seats feel more comfortable than the Recaro seat that it came with, so we decided to put our 32 seats in there. However, like we all know, the 32 seats or even the 33 and the 34 seats, always the driver's side has the little tear from, your side scratching it, or your butt or your pocket just catching onto it. But the car looked absolutely stunning, especially in the midnight purple with the hood scoops. Just looked great. Taking it for a drive, the car just looks good. So stay tuned. I'll probably make another video of why I sold the GTR. Stay tuned, subscribe for more content.